With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question given over here is at what this is the concentration of Br minus divided by square root of concentration of carbonate ion. Does the following cell have its reaction at equilibrium? And the reaction given is this. And here KSP, this is KSP of AgBr, Ag2CO3 is given as 8 into 10 to the power minus 12, and the KSP given for AgBr is 4 into 10 to the power minus 13. So now we will see that which option is correct. Given 4 options are there and which option is correct. So first of all, we can see that here reaction is given. There Ag is converting into AgCO3 in the presence of Na2CO3 medium. Okay, so Ag is converting into AgCO3. That means it would have been would have been added to the carbonate ion and formed Ag2CO3 plus 2 electrons would have been released. For the balancing, we are writing here A. 2. Now, this equation, as we can see that carbonate negative ion is being attached. So, this is anode. This is our anode. Now, the second would have been the cathode where KBr is changing into ABr in the presence of Ag. So, the reaction would be like AgBr is converting into, in the presence of electron, one electron is taken, and the Ag converts into Ag plus Br minus. Okay. Now, this is the cathode reaction that takes place on cathode. Now, overall reaction comes as 2Ag plus CO3 2 minus, that's carbonate, plus 2AgBr gives 2Ag, the right hand side values, plus 2Br minus, here it would be balanced, it would be balancing here, and plus Ag2CO3, Ag2CO3. Okay. Now, we will see that here 2 moles are taken. So, here Ag, 2Ag would be here, 2Ag taking these 2 electrons over here, 2 electrons. Now, these 2 electrons would be cancelled out, and now this is the balanced equation. Now, what we will see that we have to calculate first the concentration of Br minus divided by the square root of concentration of this. So, we will calculate the Q, and Q is the ratio of the ions divided. So, first of all, the ion is present as Br minus, the concentration of Br minus, and divided by the concentration of CO3 2 minus, that is present on the left hand side or the reactant side. So, the ratio would be like this because there is this reaction is proceeding at equilibrium. Now, as we know that Q they are asking over here is the square root of CO3 2 minus. Okay, means they are asking the under root value. Okay, now we will see that Ag2CO3 given, Ag2CO3 breaks as 2 moles of Ag plus and plus CO3 2 minus. Now here the KSP of Ag2CO3 is given. So for the calculation or Ag2 for the KSP, we know that KSP is given by the Ag plus to the power 2. Why? This is the stoichiometric coefficient that will go in the power and into the concentration of carbonate. Okay. The value for this is the KSP calculation. What is KSP? It is the product of the concentration of ions produced. So, the product of the concentration of ions done, it is given as 8 into 10 to the power minus 12. Similarly, one more KSP value is given, that is for AgBr. Now, AgBr breaks into Ag plus and Br minus. So, I have written like this, brackets wouldn't be here. Wait a minute. This is showing the concentration. Square brackets show concentration. It would not be present over here. So, plus Br minus. Okay. Now, how we will calculate the KSP? Again, Ag plus and Br minus concentration. and this is given as 4 into 10 to the power minus 13. Now, what we have to do, they are asking the concentration of Br divided by the square root of CO3. So, we will first of all, suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now, what we will do, we will, we will take the square root of equation 1, and divide it by equation 2. So, equation 2 divided by the square root of equation 1. This is the basic equation written. So, this we will do. Equation 2, that means this, that is Ag plus and Br minus, this is our equation 1, is equals to 4 into 10 to the power minus 30. And now another is divided by Ag plus whole square and CO3 2 minus is equals to 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 and square root of this equation. So square root over here also and square root over here also. So as we know that square root of Ag2 plus Ag plus square would come as Ag plus only, and we will cancel this, and here the final value would come as concentration of Br minus divided by the concentration of CO3 2 minus square root. Okay, this would come as 4 into 10 to the power minus 13 divided by square root of 8 into 10 to the power minus 12. So after doing the basic calculation, we will get the value is equals to 2 into 10 to the power, 2 into root 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. So this value would come as the answer after calculation. Now here will be a basic calculation. We will calculate the value of root 8 and then root 10 to the power minus root 12, and then they will be divided, and final answer would come as root 2. As we can definitely see, the value would come in the power of negative only, because here is 10 to the power minus 13 and here 10 to the power minus 12, and instead they are present in root. So value would decrease. So it will come as approx 6 would be minus or 5, then it will come like this only. So we will see that which option is correct. Our option number 2 is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.